Hi friends, today we are going to Devbagh Beach Resort in Karwar. Karwar is about 550 kilometers from Bangalore and it is about 10 hours drive. It is known for its beaches as well as for its naval base. Road till Haveri is 6 lane. From Haveri, Google suggested to go via Sirsi. However, many bloggers mentioned horrible road, so we decided to go via Yellapur. There is hardly any decent restaurants once we crossed Haveri, so we had to manage with whatever we could find. This route is countryside and narrow, but very scenic. Road is much better after crossing Ghat section all the way till Karwar. We enjoyed last few kilometers drive along the coastline. Resort is only reachable via boat, so we parked our cars at their office and boarded the boat. On the way to resort, we saw Kali River estuary. From jetty, it is a long walk to the cottages. Most of their cottages have clear sea view. Rooms are spacious and clean, equipped with a king-size bed plus a single bed for kid. Bathrooms are also spacious and clean. Rooms had a sea-facing balcony to enjoy the view. After lunch, we took some rest. In the evening, we enjoyed at the beach with a beautiful sunset in the background. They served tea and barbecue at the beach itself. Later they arranged bonfire and dinner at the beach. We had a nice and relaxing family time. Early morning guided nature walk and bird watching was included in the package, but we decided to enjoy the sunrise only. Now it was time for breakfast. Food variety was a bit disappointing, but overall food was tasty. After breakfast, we went for a boat ride for dolphin watching. Karwar have two varieties of dolphins and we were able to sight both of them. After lunch, we went for bird watching and to see mangrove vegetation. Resort offers a variety of water sports to choose from, including snorkeling. As sea condition was not suitable, so we could not go for snorkeling. But we enjoyed rest of the water activities as staff was very courteous and helpful. As kids couldn't get enough of sea, so rest of the evening and next day morning we enjoyed beautiful Karwar beach. This is practically a private beach for the resort and a perfect place to unwind and relax with just the nature all around you. it was time to start our return journey. We plan to visit INS Chapal Warship Museum on our way back. INS Chapal is a missile boat. It was an active warship and the star of naval warfare during 1971 Indo-Pak War. It is now decommissioned and converted into a museum. There is a very big Tibetan camp near Bangalore. We stopped by to visit the monastery. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe to follow us on upcoming journeys.